It's school photos today. Yeah, this is the hair and makeup because every year I'm trying to be too extra. I'm trying to like straighten my hair, put my hair in a plait, and then it just backfires on me. Put on like lip gloss like that. We're just going barefaced, natural. Well, natural enough. And we're gonna practice our smiles like this. That's gonna be my photo. I'm also doing a family photo with my friendship group, and I have a leadership photo as well. So that's on today. So let's go, guys. Guys, so we just had our school photos. I think I had lipstick in my teeth, but that's okay. Yeah, now we're doing some English before our family photo this afternoon. Yes, that's it. Here's my face. And then, okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, your turn. Three, two, one. We're not even in the same math class, but we're doing like a group thing. All the standard maths is in this room right now. There's like 90 something of us. Yeah, pretty crazy. Hello everybody! Today we're making this basic butter cake. We've got Zabelle and we've got Ava as the two assistant chefs of today.
I'm a big gangster.
Team Boy 2019 or should I use Team Boy 2018?
It's the real question.
Big decision. I hope you guys are all Team Boy 2019.
Oh, guys, butter is definitely ready.
Soft.
Butter is like really melting.
That's fine. Phase 1
Okay,
complete.
look at that frothy coffee.
Get an ASMR. I really like that mark. That's actually been very satisfying.
Now we're adding the vanilla. Just grinding.
Okay. Silence, please.
Oh, sorry. Silence, Ava, silence. Sugar through a sifter.
It's already
You do, because there's fat fucking balls.
Yes! It's so gross.
Oh, what did I eat? The eggs.
She was a fairy.
Wait, let's make a song for while you stir. That's gross.
Okay, I'm really gonna...
Let me make a quick edit.
Is you say daddy's home? I got you gonna get you home for me. Yeah, I know you've been waiting.
That's kind of flat. Like,
What do you mean?
Yeah.
So why don't you just meet me in the middle? Are you?
Bethel. You just went to go lick some butter.
it's like this.
So why don't you just meet me in the middle? In the middle.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, guys.
Yes, get that $40. No. Guys, this is the cake. Why does it have to be good? Also, I pulled off all these like burnt bits around the edges. What the fuck? Why is there an indent? Like, bro, what? I'm actually gonna play in like a second.
Hey guys, we made some Italian pizza tonight. We have some olives with cheese and rocket.
And this was Ava's toppings. Okay, this is Emily's actual toppings. Yeah, but it's Ava's toppings. How this is AB. Okay.